What's up, everybody? I was out here on this glorious day and I was mowing the lawn and I noticed my mower doesn't run quite as good as it used to. So I decided I'm gonna change the spark plug. Something pretty common. It's just like changing the spark plug on a car. So I'm gonna walk you through how to change the spark plug on your lawnmower and show you how similar it is to doing it on a car. Okay, everybody. So the first step obviously is to identify where your spark plug is at. Spark plug is here. Most lawnmowers it will be in the front or on the side. I've never seen one on the back, but I'm sure they exist. First step after you identify it will be to remove the plug wire. Make sure you grasp the plug wire by the boot, not by the wire itself. I have seen people pull them out of the boot. So grip it firmly, gently pull. Ta-da! Put it to the side. Now pull out spark plug socket and ratchet. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is probably the original plug. It doesn't look too bad. I have seen worse. This is the stock Champion. What I did was I took this number and cross-referenced it to this nice new looking NGK plug. Ordered it from Amazon because AutoZone had to order it and it would take it longer to get there at AutoZone than it did off Amazon. But before we do that, I'm going to take a little bit of our carburetor and air intake cleaner. Give just a little spray poo up in there. Help dissolve anything that might be up in there. Okay, now we will take our spark plug, insert it, make sure it is straight, you're not cross-threading it. Okay, take your spark plug socket and ratchet, snug it down, not too tight. Okay, reinstall the boot, you will feel it click. Boom, and you just changed the spark plug in your lawnmower. It will be the same for snow blowers, leaf blowers, weed eaters, etc. All right, we got everything changed. Spray a little bit of carburetor cleaner, so it's probably going to smoke when I very first start it. But let's see if it starts any better and sounds better. Yep, it definitely started better and it definitely runs a lot better now. So literally for $3 spark plug and $1.90 can of carburetor cleaner, I just made my mower start better and it's going to run better, which means better fuel efficiency. These plugs don't really last as long as a car plug because they're cheaper, they're copper. So they need to be replaced more often. A lot of people replace them every year. I just wait and replace them whenever they need to be. So just something to think about, guys. Preventative maintenance will make things last longer and run better.